Queen should be removed from lawmaking process, calls to abolish outdated powers. The Queen is a constitutional monarch and is involved in the UK's lawmaking process by a historic convention known as Queen's Consent. A constitutional expert has claimed centuries-old royal rights like consent should be abolished with all haste. Queen Elizabeth II, 95, is the head of state and holds a number of constitutional powers through historic royal conventions. While the Queen's Assent is the process by which the monarch signs off on parliamentary bills before they are transformed into law. The Queen's Consent is effectively when the Queen grants permission to Parliament to debate a bill before it becomes law. Prince Charles, 72, also holds the right to exercise Prince's consent. In February, a Guardian investigation into the royal family's use of these conventions showed Charles had exercised his law-making powers to prevent tenants on his Duchy of Cornwall estate from being able to buy their homes outright. In its exposé, The Guardian described the prince's consent as a secretive procedure, and implied the royal family was flexing its influence without the knowledge of the British public. Express spoke to a constitutional expert about the fiddly topic of Queen's consent and whether or not it should be abolished. According to academic Ian McMarthan, the problem lies not in the royal family's use of these rights but in the outdated nature of the institution itself, which he claims needs a dramatic overhaul. The Guardian's ongoing investigation into Queen's consent is blinded by Republican zeal and misses the real problem, Mr. McMarthan argued. The constitutional expert told Express, despite the integrity of their investigation into the Queen's and Prince's consents, The Guardian once again allows their Republican zeal to get in the way of addressing the real problem, consequently the focus of their ire is on a symptom.